guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers that we are going to throw on the grill, and they are going to be fantastic. One of my favorite recipes ever that I've done on this channel is a crab dip stuffed jalapeno wrapped in bacon. It is to die for. It is such a good football snack or appetizer or just kind of treat for yourself if you like those flavors, and it will always be one of my favorites. So that's why I decided to kind of do a spin on that recipe for summer grilling. We're going to make a delicious cream cheese and cheddar filling, put it in our jalapeno, kind of like a jalapeno popper, wrap it up in some bacon, and throw these puppies on the grill. It is super good. It is equally as tasty as that other recipe, and you guys are gonna love it. So we're gonna start with 8 ounces of cream cheese in our mixing bowl, and we're gonna wanna have it at about room temperature so it's easy to work with when we blend in our cheddar cheese. If you're having trouble with your cream cheese, you can definitely use a hand mixer for this. That is fine also. To that, you're gonna add about 1 cup of cheddar and a couple spices. I have a smoked paprika here, garlic powder, and then I actually used a mesquite seasoning because it just makes this that much better. You could kind of experiment with some of the other kind of flavors that you use on your grill. Applewood, mesquite, if you have a rub that you really like, just throw a little bit into that mixture because honestly, it just kind of, with the creaminess of the cheese and the grill and the bacon, it just kind of goes together. It's perfect. So we are gonna just mix that all up until we have a nice filling that we could work with. After that, it's time to assemble your jalapenos. So you're gonna go ahead and cut your jalapenos in half and pull out all those seeds to make nice little boats like this. I personally find it's easier to do all of the cream cheese stuffing first and then do all of the bacon wrapping. So just go ahead and spread that cream cheese filling in nice and even like so, and move on to the next. When you have cream cheese in all of your jalapenos, it's time to move on to the bacon. So after you have all of your cream cheese filling in your jalapenos, it's time to move on to the bacon. So I have 7 pieces of bacon here that I sliced in half because I have 14 jalapenos, and we're just gonna start wrapping them around pretty easy, just kind of like so. You're just gonna wrap it like that. You can secure it with a toothpick if you need to, but you should be able to kind of just tuck it underneath so that the bacon stays around. So go ahead and just wrap up all your jalapenos in the bacon, tucking it like so. Once you have your jalapenos wrapped in bacon, it is time to head on out to the grill. You're gonna wanna preheat your grill to medium-high heat, and you're gonna wanna have some area of the grill with indirect heat. That means kind of turning on the burners on one side, getting it to medium-high, but leaving the burners off on the other. So we are going to place all of these jalapenos down on the side with indirect heat. We're then gonna cook them slowly, closed grill, until the bacon is cooked. This takes about 20 minutes, but every slice of bacon is different. It depends on how thick it is or whatever. So you're gonna wanna keep an eye on it, and when the bacon is cooked, that's when it's done. Then you're gonna move the jalapenos over to the direct heat for another 2 to 3 minutes, just to kind of get it that nice grilled, charred feeling to it. So every grill is different, but when the bacon is cooked and then you've had that 2 minutes on the direct heat, your jalapenos are done, and it is time to dig in. After that time, you have these delicious bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers with a little bit of that rub mesquite seasoning in it. It's going to taste like barbecue. It's going to be epic. You guys are going to love it. I want to hear all about your thoughts about it because you're going to like it that much. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.